Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact ranges you will index and match. This is critical because index plus match needs clear, fixed references. First, identify the return column and the lookup column, then convert them to absolute ranges or names so formulas don't shift when copied. Once done, choose match type. Use 0 for exact matches, or 1/1 only when data is sorted. Make sure to check for extra spaces or different data types before writing the formula to avoid nasty errors. Now assemble the actual formula. Type equals index, return range, match, lookup value, lookup range 0. You place the return range first because index pulls from that column by row number. Then match finds the row of the lookup value in the lookup range. Once done, wrap the whole expression in IFR to show a friendly message instead of hash and /a. If you need multiple criteria, create a helper key or use match with concatenated columns, or switch to SumProduct for complex logical lookups. Finish by pasting or dragging the validated formula across your output cells, making sure all ranges are absolute so copies remain correct. Once done, validate a few results by comparing the match output against the source row numbers. If a result is wrong, inspect data types and run trim to remove hidden spaces. Make sure there are no duplicate lookup values when you expect a single match. If things go wrong, run match alone to see what row it returns, and that will quickly pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.